Python Basics. Welcome to this in-depth exploration of Python data structures. In the world of programming, data structures are the backbone of organizing and managing data efficiently. Python, a versatile and user-friendly programming language, provides a rich set of built-in data structures to help you work with data effectively. Why are data structures important?
Data structures are like the containers of the programming world. They enable you to store, access, and manipulate data in various ways. Whether you're building a simple program or a complex application, understanding data structures is crucial for optimizing your code's performance and readability.
Python's strength in data structures.
Python's popularity stems, in part, from its excellent support for data structures. It offers a variety of data structures that can be easily understood and applied by programmers of all levels. These structures include lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and more. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the fundamental Python data structures. We'll explore each data structure in detail, understand their characteristics, and examine real-world scenarios where they shine.
Why do we need data structures in programming?
Data structures allow us to efficiently store, organize, and manipulate data, making our code more organized and optimized.
Why is Python a popular choice for working with data structures?
Python's simplicity and rich built-in data structures make it an ideal language for handling various data types.
What are some examples of real-world applications of data structures?
Data structures are used in databases, algorithms, web development, game development, and virtually every aspect of software development.
Can you provide an example where using the right data structure significantly improves code performance?
When searching for an item in a large dataset, using a dictionary for constant time access is much faster than using a list for linear time access.
How can viewers apply their knowledge of data structures in real projects?
Understanding data structures helps in designing efficient algorithms, creating better databases, optimizing code, and solving various programming challenges. So, let's dive into Python's world of data structures. We'll start with the basics and gradually move to more advanced concepts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this video has something valuable to offer.
Lists as ordered collections.
Lists are ordered collections of items in Python. They allow you to store multiple values of different data types in a single variable.
Lists maintain the order of elements, meaning the first item added to the list will be the first item when you access it.
You can create lists by enclosing elements in square brackets and separating them with commas.
Example, my_list equals 1, 2, 3, apple, banana. Accessing and modifying elements.
Elements in a list are accessed using index values, starting from 0 for the first element.
To access the second element, second_element equals my_list 1.
Lists are mutable, which means you can change their elements. To change the third element, my_list 2 equals 10. List methods.
Lists provide built-in methods for common operations like adding, removing, and searching for elements.
Example of appending an element, my_list.append cherry.
List comprehensions are concise ways to create lists based on existing lists or sequences. Example, x*2 for x in my_list if ice instance x, int. Lists are used in various real-world scenarios, such as managing a collection of items, processing data, and more. Practical example, creating a list of student names and calculating their average score. Create a Python list containing the first 10 even numbers.
In this exercise, we'll practice creating a list of even numbers in Python. Lists are ordered collections, and you can create them by enclosing elements in square brackets. To achieve this, you'll use a combination of Python's range function and list comprehension to generate the even numbers.
# using a list comprehension to create a list of the first 10 even numbers. 7_numbers equals 2 *x for x in range 1, 11, # the range 1, 11 generates numbers from 1 to 10, and we multiply each by 2 to get even numbers.
You can verify the result by printing the even_numbers list.
Print even_numbers.
Output 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.